These are the materials that we're going to be using to test our thermistor. 3 LEDs, 3 330 ohm resistors, 1 10K ohm resistor, some jumper cables, the thermistor, a Uno controller board, and the Arduino software. This is the code that we're going to be using for project 3. These are all our variables. These are our LED colors, and this is our temperatures. Low temperature 75 degrees Fahrenheit, maximum temperature 80 degrees Fahrenheit. From there, we have to turn our voltage into temperature. We start with our analog voltage and we turn it into resistance using this equation. From there, we use this equation to turn it into log of the resistance. We then use the resistance in this temperature equation, which gives us the temperature in units Kelvin. From there, we use this equation to turn it into degrees Celsius. And from there, we use this equation to turn the degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit. The reason why we do this is because the Arduino software cannot read any analog voltage, meaning that we have to turn our voltage into values that are useful for the Arduino software. We turn it into resistance, then into temperature, which is the final value that we want in order to test our circuit. We start with our first if and else statement. If the temperature detected by the thermistor is less than the low temperature, which is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, the red LED should be turning on. Else, meaning that the temperature is greater than 75 degrees Fahrenheit, the red LED should be off. This is our second if and else statement. If the temperature detected by the thermistor is greater than or equal to the low temperature, which is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and less than or equal to the max temperature, which is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the green LED should be turning on. Else, meaning that the temperature is less than 75 degrees Fahrenheit or greater than 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the green LED should be turning off. For our final if and else statement, if our temperature detected by the thermistor is greater than the max temperature, which is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the blue LED should be turning on. Else, meaning that if the temperature is less than 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the blue LED should be off. As you can see, the temperature being detected by the thermistor is around negative 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Our logic says that if the temperature is below 75 degrees Fahrenheit, our red LED should be turning on. And as you can see, the red LED is turned on. This is the temperature that the thermistor is detecting, around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Our logic says that if our temperature is in between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the green LED should be turning on. As you can see, the green LED is turned on. This is the temperature that the thermistor is detecting, around 83 degrees. Our logic says that if the temperature is over 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the blue LED should be turning on. And as you can see, the blue LED is turned on.